Well, thank you so much for joining me. Now we're here in Blackhall in County Durham, and I believe Giant Property bought a house recently here.
We did. This house here, we bought it over just about 1 week ago, £32,000 purchase price. As you'll see in a minute, if I take you inside, it needs a full refurbishment. So,
Okay, so I'm in for a bit of a shock.
You are.
Okay,
Yes, indeed.
right, gloves on.
Absolutely, let's go.
Oh, wow.
The whole kitchen will obviously come out. It's beyond repair, really.
Yeah, I was going to say, it'd be nice to get something a bit more modern, maybe.
In here we've got what really is a dining room / living room that, strangely for this part of the world, leads onto the bathroom.
Yeah, a little bit of jip, you're fine.
Yeah, that's it. So
Oh my God.
it really needs everything doing. Get it as far back to a shell as we can, so we can make sure it's clean and solid. This is the living room. First thing that we'll do, we'll put in these ceiling tiles down. For
They're
sure.
lovely.
That's it. All of the wallpaper will come back off, and it'll end up with mostly white walls, white ceiling, one grey feature wall probably, and a grey carpet. That's it. We find it really easy to get tenants. Everyone knows what the finish will be, so the local council will work with us, Durham County Council, local housing authorities and other local agents will help us get the right tenants because they know what they're looking for.
Now, there's obviously a lot of work to do, 6 to 8 weeks to do it. What kind of budget would you be looking at?
This will be in the region of about £12,000. Back to a very serviceable finish, a new kitchen, new bathroom, factored in for rewiring if we need it, and everything will look brand new, will look lovely when it's done. If you see a bad house on the street that's like this, it's no good for anyone in the community, so for us it will be well worth putting back to a good standard.
Okay, I'm going to leave those guys to it for the next few weeks, and they've got plenty to do. I cannot wait to see what this property looks like.